Oceanity, broad are the lands of McCarthy. Desmond feeds 500 men a day, yet here's to old Brian of Ara. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, clansmen and kinsmen are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. See you, the mountains look huge at eve, so is our chieftain in battle. Welcome he has for the fugitive, with Sabitha, fighting and cattle. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, gossip and ally are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. Horses the valleys are tramping on, sleek from the Saxon Ochmenger. Creeks the hills are encamping on, empty the bones of the stranger. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, Sitharn and Buanacht are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. He has lack silver from Silverlua, Rian and Sierpol are neighbors, and Awanach submits with a Fulilu. Butler is meat for our solvers. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, Rian and Sierpol are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. 'Tis scarce a week since through Oserga chased he the Baron of Dorma, forced him 5 rivers to cross, or he had died by the sword of Red Murka. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, all the European are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. Of Oceanity, broad are the lands of McCarthy. Desmond feeds 500 men a day, yet here's to old Brian of Ara. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, clansmen and kinsmen are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta. Tall are the towers of Oceanity, broad are the lands of McCarthy. Desmond feeds 500 men a day, yet here's to old Brian of Ara. Up from the castle of Druimnir, down from the top of Camalta, clansmen and kinsmen are coming here to give in the said Neil Falta.